Welcome back. Control systems can be broadly divided into two categories, open and closed loop systems. We will look first at open loop systems. In an open loop control system, the controller independently calculates the exact voltage or current needed by the actuator to do the job and sends it. With this approach, however, the controller never actually knows if the actuator did what it was supposed to do, because there's no feedback. This system absolutely depends on the controller knowing the operating characteristics of the actuator. This slide shows an open loop control system. The desired angle is the set point. The electronic control unit is the controller. The motor driving an arm is the actuator. In this case, the arm moving is the process, and the angular position of the arm is the control variable. The block diagram looks like this. For the purpose of demonstration, in this example, earlier tests have shown that the motor rotates the arm at 5 degrees per second at the rated voltage. Assume that the controller is directed to move the arm from 0 to 30 degrees. Knowing the characteristics of the process, the controller sends a 6-second power pulse to the motor. If the motor is acting properly, it will rotate exactly 30 degrees in the 6 seconds and stop. Again, for demonstration purposes, let's assume that on particularly cold days, however, the lubricant is more viscous, it's thicker, causing more internal friction, and the motor rotates only 25 degrees in the 6 seconds. The result is a 5-degree error. The controller has no way of knowing of the error and does nothing to correct it. Open loop control systems are appropriate in applications where the actions of the actuator on the process are very repeatable and reliable. Relays and stepper motors are devices with reliable characteristics and are usually open loop control operations. Actuators, such as motors or flow valves, are sometimes used in open loop operations, but they must be calibrated and adjusted at regular intervals to ensure proper system operation. Right, let's now take a look at closed loop control systems.